Another profitable day it is, guys. So I took this sell trade on step index, getting my entries at this point. You can see how far price has dropped from my sell zone. My 3 TPs has been smashed, which have secured over $500 profit on this sell trade, expecting more sells to my 4th TP. And this trade signal and trade setup was shared to my VIP members and on my Telegram channel. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss out on my fire trade signals and on the high probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out. So I was able to catch the sells on this index. How did I know this index is going to sell from my sells? Was my view and analysis on this index. So predicting the sells on this index, I just worked with a simple price action market approach where I started my analysis on the daily time frame, spotting this market structure, which this index has been on a downtrend, created series of lower highs and series of lower lows. So the next thing I did on this daily time frame chart was to identify the historical levels and zones formed in the market here, having the level of 8,395 to be a major historical level where we got past history zone. Price has bought and sold on this level. Same price sell, here's a resistance, support here, support here, support. So this level got broken at this point. We had these massive sells that broke this level, traded below this level, then came back to retest this broken level on a higher time frame view, which the sells is expected is more like a broken level of support that got retested, not on resistance. So the sells from this level is expected here. So my target on the sells is this point, being that we got this zone here at this reactions. Price has reacted on this level, got the sells resistance here. Price, buy, support. So price could possibly react to this level as a support. Possibly price could sell for that. So this next zone, this broken level of resistance, which price could possibly come retest as a support. And in the past days, we had this bullish run that came to retest this resistance level, and it's possible that the buyers might have exhausted their buying power. So all of this gave me the sell expectations on this index. So I analyzed further to the 4-hour time frame, identifying a reversal pattern formation on this zone. This is a head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern where price formed the left shoulder at this point. The head formed here as well. So I sold on this right shoulder that formed on the retest of this zone. Yeah, this level of resistance. That's where I got my entries on. Because head and shoulders patterns are bearish reversal patterns. So the sells is definitely expected on this index. So proceeding to the 1-hour time frame, I spotted this trend, this structure, basically a bullish structure where price was creating series of higher lows and series of higher highs, which got broken at this point. Price broke out of this bullish structure and formed two lower highs, as we can see here. Let's zoom into the chart here. Got these lower highs that got formed afterwards and these two lower lows, which is a bearish structure. So this formation was a confirmation for the sells. So I waited for the third lower high formation because of course the first one, second high, third high, third lower high, which I got my entries on, stacking up the sells, and you can see how far price has dropped. This is just a simple price action market approach, and we could still get more sells to my last target, possibly this zone. Then this overall sell target, price selling to the level of 8,320. So aside all of these price action confluences, my entry point was mainly on an order block, which I spotted on the 13-minute time frame. The bearish order block, this is a drop base drop bearish order block pattern. I sold on price coming to test this order block base. And for entry confirmation, I went to the 5-minute time frame, spotting a head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern. This pattern here, the left shoulder at this point, head and right shoulder. So I stacked up the sells on seeing this reversal pattern formation, which is a bearish confirmation for the sells. We are getting a retracement right now, but regardless of this retracement, the sells is still expected because it's more like price coming to retest this broken structure, these broken lows, the broken level of support that is being retested right now on resistance. So the sell continuation is expected. Though I'm very much safe in this trade because I've secured over 70% of my profits as my TP1 to TP3 got smashed, moving my stop loss below my entry. Expecting more sells on this trade. We're getting the rejections on this retest already, as you can see. So that's this, guys. That was able to catch this sell trade on step index, working with a simple price action market approach, just market structure, historical levels, reversal patterns, and other blocks. So for more trade reviews like this, don't forget to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.